today I want to share with you, this is gonna be last video of tutorial. We're gonna sculpt the leg like that cute baby. So let's start it. So sculpting the leg, you need a polymer clay and a lot of patience because it's so tiny baby doll legs. So you need to get a piece of clay and just watch my tutorial. I didn't record it really fast. I want you just take a time and just slowly learn how to sculpt the leg. As you can see, it's the toe of baby's toe. It need to be really tiny. You have to have a lot of patience to sculpt that, guys. Just take your time, don't rush, slowly. After when you sculpted all this baby feet, you need to bake it. After baking, you need to paint and to give a blush. And after we start, you will see on tutorial how to dress in the baby. That's all. If you have a question, ask. as you can see, it's not very hard, and that's our result. So babies is ready. You can decorate your studio or your room and just be creative, guys. Never ever give up. If you you not happy, start over again, and you will learn how to sculpt baby doll for yourself or for your friends or for your children. So have a lovely day, guys. Thank you for watching. I will be so happy if you like my video or you share with your friend. Bye bye for now.